guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, what's up? If you guys are new to our channel, my name is Jordan.
And my name is Haley.
And today on our channel, we're actually going to be playing with some brand new makeup from PUR Cosmetics. They're a brand that we've been using for, I feel like, forever now.
We're obsessed with PUR.
Let's just jump right into it. The thing that I'm most excited to try out is their new stick foundation.
Oh my gosh, that was like the first thing that jumped out to us, especially the packaging.
The packaging is so, the packaging alone screams like, hi, buy me. So before I actually get into that, they also have a primer. It's a 4-in-1 correcting primer. It's supposed to energize and rescue your skin. So do you want a dollop of this?
Yeah, so let's both, we got one of these, so we're gonna just try this out and kind of see how it is. I'm not a huge primer girl. I usually like almost never use primer.
I love primer. I didn't used to use primer, but over these past few months, I use primer pretty much every single day.
It smells nice.
It says it has aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. Probiotics are really good for you.
Ooh, I like this. It's like it's more like lotiony.
This is really a nice texture.
Okay, so I am going to try the light tan. I feel like I could be light tan or maybe even the medium one. I don't know. So I'm just gonna try this one and see what I'm thinking. I haven't used a stick foundation either in like the longest time. I cannot even.
So I'm using the color Golden Medium, which I assume to be lighter than that one, but it's not. So
this looks like it's almost exactly my color though.
I feel like this one looks like my color too, right?
I guess I'm going in with the foundation brush then.
So since she's using a foundation brush, I'm gonna try to go in with a beauty sponge. This is the Real Technique one. I don't know which method is better.
So far.
Oh, you know what? I feel like for me, this is blending a lot easier than I thought it was going to.
It is. It's blending a little bit easier than I thought. Because at first, I feel like foundations like this are always super hard to blend for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, I just want to say though, what do you think of the way my skin looks?
It looks
right now?
really good.
I feel like my skin looks flawless right now.
Okay, so we're gonna really quickly just pop on some concealer. We don't actually have any concealer from PUR, which is kind of strange.
Right?
So we're gonna go ahead and do that really quickly and then we'll be right back.
Okay, so far foundation, 10 out of 10. We went and set our under eyes because there wasn't really like an under eye setting powder.
Yeah, so we're actually gonna move on. They do have a new setting powder. What is this called? This is a translucent loose setting powder.
Translucent?
Translucent. It does come with this little sponge situation, but I think I'm just gonna go in with a normal brush. I'm actually gonna try out their new brushes.
Oh, there's new brushes too?
Let's try these
thought there was
bad boys
just these. Guys, they do have these Pillow Blend collection brushes. These are kind of like those silicone-y kind of brushes, which we were super interested in, but like, I don't know. We don't know if we want to do a giveaway with these yet, so if you guys are interested in winning these, like, I don't know, are you interested
Let us know.
Let us know.
But I'm gonna go in with these new brushes. These are freaking bling.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, PUR, this whole new collection that they have going on right now is so bougie, like gorgeous, okay?
This smells like chocolate.
Doesn't it?
Smell that. Tell me that's not chocolate.
Oh my gosh, this is chocolate.
Chocolate for sure.
And it's kind of tinted a little bit of a weird color. Like it kind of, I feel like, is a tan color.
Like taupe?
It has like a tanny taupey color, so.
Ooh, this is nice.
Also, this comes with like a little sponge. Is this a sponge to use on your face?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool, right? So like it literally is the cap to the powder, but you can also kind of use it as a sponge if you're kind of like touching up. So I kind of want to just try that just to try it out. I mean, it's kind of weird because it's like, I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to.
You just pat it?
I think it's kind of more of like a pat. Like a patty moment, like back in the day, you know, like I'm gonna go powder my nose in the bathroom.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to contouring and bronzing up my face. I'm going old school. This is from PUR as well. This is their Contour Diaries palette, and this is the second one that we have gone through, and you can already see we're hitting pan again on this.
I'm obsessed with that.
That just goes to show how much we freaking love this. I always mix these two shades. Secret and Passion. They're just bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze up my entire face using this. This is so bomb though. Honestly, I'm not even kidding you. This is my daily, I mean, I've used a few other bronzers here and there. Did that just happen?
Oh my gosh. We hit pan so hard that half of it just broke off as I was using it.
No, it's literally all over the whole couch, all over the whole floor that I just swept, but that's not PUR help.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on. I always do my highlight after I do my bronzer, so I'm gonna go in with their new Bronze and Brighten palette. This is Afterglow, which is actually, I don't think this is a new color now that I'm thinking about it. I think Afterglow is a color that they've had before for highlight, but I'm gonna go in with it either way. It's a really pretty like champagne-y gold color, and I'm just gonna hit the high points of my cheek, and yes, this is what I'm looking for in a highlight. This looks really nice. Do you want to go in with some of the highlights?
So I usually blush first. I don't know, I'm a weird person, but I'm just gonna go in and highlight since she did it anyways. They've
released a blush book, and honestly, you guys, this got me shook to the, it's
amazing.
It has 4 different colors. They have a shade Honest, Passionate, Determined, and Loyal. So first of all, love the names, and I love the shades. They have like multiple colors within the one blush, so they're like multi-dimensional, which I think is really cool. So I'm gonna go in with the one that has more of the corally colors, the one that's called Determined. And I think I'm just gonna swirl and hit all of those colors. And then I'm just gonna hit this on the apples of my cheek and then back up on my cheekbones. And then, like I said, I'm gonna just blend that highlight into each other. This is out of control.
Out of control.
This is so pretty, I can't even take it. Obviously went a little hard, but we'll fix that. You never know how pigmented a blush is going to be.
I always go hard with my blush and my bronze. I mean, with my blush and my highlight. I feel like it's just always like something that fades or blends away a little bit like more throughout the day. So I like to like really pack it on, you know? I'm here for it, okay?
I'm impressed with this blush. I can't even stand it. Get it away from me.
Okay, so what did you go in with this one?
I went in with this one here, which is the more orangey coral.
Oh my god, it looks gorgeous.
But I am just gonna kind of diffuse it a little bit.
So I think that these are all really great colors. Like I can't even decide. So, you know, usually I'll probably mix these like all the time, like whenever I feel like it, but I'm gonna do the same thing because I am obsessed with a good orangey kind of bronzy moment, especially on the cheek, especially in the summer when you're tan.
I love the way this powder smells.
Pigmented. Like I barely just went into this and you can tell how pigmented, so I'm gonna like make sure.
The glow.
What? Are you kidding?
Do you see that glow that it gives you? It's just like, I know it's obviously mixed with my highlight, and that's another reason I like putting the highlight on first because it just gives you this like, glow.
Are you kidding me?
It's gorgeous.
Are you kidding me? I don't know if this is honestly even picking up on camera like as good as it is in real life. Oh, you know, I've been trying to live for a color like this, you guys. I just haven't found. I've just been using a lot of pinky ones, and I've been telling Jordan like we need a good orangey.
Alrighty, so now that we have our brows on, basically I think we're done with our entire faces. So it's time to move on to like the fun part, which is eyeshadows, and they have quite a few different eyeshadow palettes that we have, and I'm kind of getting a little bit thrown off right now because I'm not sure what I want to use, but I think...
Okay, let's just kind of show what we first of all got in the package. So the first thing was these PUR eye polish glitters.
Which is something we love. We use these all the time. We've had, I think this is their 3rd collection.
Visionary!
Oh my god, stop. That's the highlight I think that we love.
We always use these when we're trying to be glam moment. They're basically like liquid eyeshadows, and they're super, super gorgeous and glittery. And they have a ton of different collections, and they always come out with different colors. So that's fun. I think I might try one of these today. I don't know.
We'll see. So, and then they also have the BoxyCharm PUR palette, and we've had this for like 2 months because we originally got it in our BoxyCharm. Never used it because we were saving it. Then we got all their new PUR makeup, and this is what I'm so excited for. The colors of this palette, honestly, you guys, I'm pretty certain they nailed this.
Bomb ski.
This is what I called a nailed palette. They have every single thing that you need. So I think I might use this one today.
Okay, so the next palette that they also sent us over was the Visionary palette, and this one is brand spanking new, you guys.
It's beautiful. It's a beauty.
It really truly is a beaut. I'll hold it this way so that you guys can see a little bit better, but it's freaking phenomenal, you guys. It has some really, I feel like these colors are super like summery and springy, and they have like these bottom ones here have like this metallic Visionary reflect. So I'm kind of excited to try these out.
If you guys know where Visionary is from, comment below because I think it's
iconic.
So
but another thing that I really like about this palette, just to mention, is the names. Like honestly, leader, dreamer, girl boss, innovator, optimist.
Optimus Prime,
like,
you guys.
Icon. Like, this is an iconic palette. And the really cool thing about this one, weirdly, these actually, it's like a Z palette where they actually, the eyeshadows come out of the palette and you can stick them in there. I'm not sure why, but I just thought that was a nice little thing. So I think I'm gonna try out this one just to be fun. So let's just kind of go in.
Wait, there's one more.
Oh my gosh,
actually two more. These are little baby ones. These are the on-the-go eyeshadow palettes. They come together, so if you buy them, you get both of them. This one is the day, and then there's the night, and these. The colors in these, you guys, are freaking phenomenal. These are so good for travel. If you go to school, if you're on the go, if you're someone who likes to carry your makeup on you, you have every single
do you guys
shadow you
see
need.
like a travel makeup video? Because we are traveling all the time. We're actually traveling this weekend for Cinco de Mayo. Woo! And we're gonna be bringing like all of our travel makeup. So if you guys kind of want to see like what we bring in our travel makeup bag,
I love seeing
right?
those because you know whatever we're bringing with us, that obviously
it's like
is our shit. So if you guys want to see us film that type of video, let us know.
Yeah, these are gorgeous, and we'll probably be bringing these with us. So I'm gonna try that this weekend. But I still think I'm gonna go with the Visionary.
And I'm gonna go with the BoxyCharm PUR palette. So I'm gonna use one of their new brushes. I actually like these new brushes because it actually says what the brush is for, and I use brushes for all kinds of things. Like, just because it's a blush brush doesn't mean I'm going to use it for blush, but for beginners, it's really nice just to know.
Okay, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to like try this out.
So I'm going to go in with the shade Perfect first.
Wait, I barely did this. Just look at it.
Oh, wow.
I think it might be like kind of similar to that highlight shade. This is one of those metallic shades that I'm trying out right now. Holy crap. It looks really cool.
So I always like to start my makeup with a nice base color. I'm using the shade Perfect. It's cute because it's like PUR, like pure, like perfect. Perfect.
I'm going to use this as a highlight. This one is the color Innovator. It looks just like a highlight color, so I'm kind of just putting it all over my lid and right under my brow bone.
But I think I'm going to go next in with the shade Naked, which is kind of like a peachy color, which is...
Oh, you want to see me naked.
Definitely always a great transition color, so I'm going to focus this more on my crease. So I feel like I want to dip into your palette, and I want to go into the shade Tycoon, which is kind of like... you know, I'm really bad at describing colors. I don't know why. Can you guys help me with that? This is taupey. Would you call that taupey? That's what I'm going to call it. Kind of like a brownie taupey color.
So I got my little orange moment going. It looks freaking bomb. I'm going to go in with the color Tycoon too that Jordan just used. It's kind of like a
color.
It kind of has like a little bit of a reddish tone in it. It's more of a brown color, but it does have like a reddish, burnt kind of color.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go in next with the color Charmer, which is like this really beautiful gold color, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. So I'm gonna go in with a different type of brush to get this on my lid, maybe even my finger actually. I think I'm gonna go in with my finger. Fingers are great tools if you guys didn't know that, especially for shimmers. I feel like shimmer always applies really nicely with your finger.
Fingers are friends, not food.
Oh. Look, I barely even touched.
Wow.
I barely even touched that, you guys.
Honestly, the pigment on these palettes are for
That was some serious... Holy situation! Charmer, you guys? This color is fire. I'm not even
Well, it's funny because people always probably think that we're overreacting when we're reviewing products like this, but we don't use a ton of really, really amazing eyeshadow products, so I feel like when I see that pigment, it really shocks me.
And just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored. PUR did send us this makeup to try out, but they're not paying us to say anything, so this is like legitimate. This is our opinion.
Okay.
That's cool. That's cute. Good. Okay, PUR. We get it, PUR.
Ah! No.
Very buttery.
Okay. Look at this. My one dot.
Wait, are you serious?
Look
what color is that?
Look at this. Look at that.
Like literally, what color is that?
Dreamer.
No.
Dreamer, dog. Dreamer. Something about it, it almost feels like it turns into...
You know what's cool is Dreamer and
liquid.
Charmer are very similar.
This one's just a little bit more...
A little bit more crazy. That's a whole shaking down another level. I'm actually going to hit Dreamer on my inner corner. Alrighty, on my lower lash line, I'm also going to go in with the shade... What is that? Duet. This is like a super matte brown color. which I always like to use on my lower lash line. Alrighty, so I'm basically finished. Oh my gosh, these swatches on my arm, fire. But I'm basically finished with my eye makeup look. I am gonna slap a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I do have lash extensions, so that makes life really easy.
We both have lash extensions.
We both do. But I'm gonna use the PUR Fully Charged Mascara, and if you don't have lash extensions, this is hands down the best mascara we've ever used, ever. Like, this was our jam before we got eyelash extensions. It 100%. Just works. Would you like to use some?
Of course.
Yeah, I do feel like I need something on my lips, but we have no new PUR lips, so I feel weird. I feel like I need a lip on.
If you do not have eyelash extensions, you have to get this mascara. I don't care what you have to say about it. I'm forcing you.
I'm forcing you.
So go right now.
So we don't have any new PUR lips, but we do have some in our collection. So I grabbed one just now. This is called Birthday Suit, which kind of sounds like my style right now. My birthday is this month, May 17th, if you guys didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot this one. I was like, what's happening?
That one is...
What is that?
Someone above us just really erred. So I'm going to go in with the PUR lip gloss in the color Silhouette. This is just like my everyday jam kind of situation. This is the perfect your lip color, but better. Why's it gotta be better? But I really like this one because it's a gloss. And like for me, I don't like a really heavy matte lip. I don't like a really heavy liquid lipstick because I'm just like eating throughout the day. I'm talking, I'm moving, I'm doing my grooving.
I'm eating.
And you know, I don't know, I feel like it's weird. It congeals and it dries my lips out. So I usually like something that's like a little bit more glossy or balmy.
So that's a great combo.
Oh, you used both of them?
I did. Last thing I'm gonna do really quick is I am just gonna hit my face with some setting spray because I just feel like that's only fair to just see how like this lasts throughout the day. I always love to use a setting spray. This one's by Revlon, and obviously I like to go hard with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna skip the setting spray just so we can kind of see a difference and if
compare
the makeup lasts. Because I don't ever typically go in with a setting spray. I usually just go in with a setting spray if I'm kind of like going to an event or something. So I want to see how this lasts on its own. It's a hot summer day out today too, so it's gonna be nice to kind of go out. We have a couple things to do, and then we will come back later and like let you guys know how the makeup essentially lasted.
Yeah, but so far so good. Like we said in the beginning of this video, PUR is one of our favorite makeup brands. We love anything that they release typically. All of these products are super great. So if you guys have tried any of these products out, let us know your opinion, or if you guys maybe want to see some more makeup looks or anything like that with these products, definitely let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, totally. And let us know if you guys like seeing videos like this, because we kind of have been really into like just testing and reviewing and giving our really honest opinion on some of these products. So let us know if you guys like seeing that, and we'll do more.
Give us some feedback in the comments below. What do you guys want to see next? Do you want to see some fashion? Do you want to see more makeup? Do you want to see cooking? Give us your opinion. Let us know.
We're going to be vlogging this weekend, so that's going to be really fun. We'll show a little close up really quick right now too, so you can kind of get a full impression on how this really looks up close, because these products just look fierce.
Yes, so
phenomenal.
We'll catch you guys in a little bit.
We'll catch you on the flip side. All right, so it is currently 8:53 now.
And we're back with our update. So I will say, first of all, like from a glance, like the foundation looks absolutely incredible. It feels really good on the skin. It feels super light on the skin, but I do notice it breaking around
just a little
my
bit
cheek
here.
area and like this area right here.
Right.
But the freaking blush, 10 out of 10. The highlight, awesome. The eyeshadow, like even we went out today and we got compliments on our eyeshadow. It just like looks so good, especially in the sunlight.
Amazing. We even took a couple of pictures. We can like insert them here. We'll show you guys up close, and it still looks so good. I feel like the start of the show though was the eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow, like
the way that it just pops, it looks amazing. It lasted, what we started doing this at like what, 2 p.m. and
yeah,
it's now
I think it was
9.
like 3:30 or something.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah,
we love you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing if you do. And if you want to see more of us, we will see you also in our next video. Bye guys.